Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up TikTok here, and on this random video, I'm going to swipe to the left, and then tap the three dots at the very top right here, and then hit the block icon at the bottom there, and I'll hit block. Now, I did that because I'm going to show you one way that you can unblock someone, and that is going to their direct profile. And you can in red there, just tap the unblock and hit unblock there. Now that you've unblocked them, you can see their content. They can see your content. However, if you don't remember exactly what their profile is, I can direct you to your full block list where you can unblock anyone that you want. So let's go back and tap on profile at the bottom right here, and then the three lines at the top right, and we'll tap on settings and privacy. Now, second option will tap privacy and scroll down until you get to the second to last option, blocked accounts. I'll tap on that, and this is where I can go through and go to any of these accounts, and I can tap the unblock button next to them or just go to their profile. If I want to see what they posted about, I can block them. Of course, again, if I wanted to block them, but this is the block list where you can unblock whichever users you want to on TikTok. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.